Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Technically T hitting you with another video today, and you already see what it is. I'm hyped. I am excited, man. I don't even know if you can hear it in my voice, but I have literally been sitting around waiting, looking at Google Nest cameras, just waiting for that FedEx Express truck to pull up, and it finally pulled up. I just got it. I grabbed it off the front door and came in here and set it right down and it had to record. Everything else had to wait. So here it is, man. Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G in the mystic black color. Yo, I'm not even going to waste any time, man. We just we're gonna get straight into it, man. We're gonna get straight into this thing. Now, this is an AT&T model. So yeah, AT&T model right here. So let's just get into it. We're not gonna waste any time, man. Let's just boy, I'm hyped. I'm hyped. So here it is. Here it is. Man, all right. Do I got everything out of it? Boom. So here it is, man. Boom. Change the shape of the future. Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We're not reading this. We already know. You've seen it on other unboxing videos. Actually, yeah, get it all in, man. Introducing Galaxy Z Fold 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience. Unlock endless versatility. Enjoy unrivaled engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. Set that over to the side. Then you basically have your Samsung packet there. Now I don't want to flip anything over. Boom. All right, yeah, I was able to grab it. So here it is. Samsung. You know there's nothing in here. You know they didn't give us anything, so we don't really got to worry about much. There's some AT&T paperwork in there, so we don't really got to worry about much when it comes to that. Whew. And here it is, yo. Here she is. Let's go ahead and set that to the side for a second. I'm gonna tell you what, that thing feels. Whew. Yeah, that thing feels good, man. Here it is with the Z Premier service, and that's just a SIM card. So here it is with the Z Premier service. You guys heard about that. You get dinners and all types of fancy stuff. So I don't know if I ever use it. And in here, all you get is USB Type-C, and we're going to get the power cable, but we're not too concerned with that. Let's just move this to the side. Let's put this down here. And here it is, man. Galaxy Z Fold. So let's go ahead and get the plastic off for the very first time here. Boom. Woo-hoo-hoo. Here it is. Plastic is off. Let's go ahead and snatch this little sticker with my IMEI and all that stuff. Whew. Boy, here it is, man. Z Fold 2 in the mystic black. And this bad boy is shiny. I cannot tell a lie when I'm talking about that. This bad boy is definitely shiny. There's that camera module. Definitely not as thick as the Note 20 Ultra. Here you go with that front display. And then you already know you have that goodness. This is what I'm looking forward to. For some reason, I thought this device was a lot bigger in hand. I don't know why I felt like this was bigger, but it actually... this feels good, especially holding it with the two hands, man. You get that volume up, volume down. You get that power button right there. On the top, you get that speaker. On the bottom, you get the speaker. You get your Type-C. Whew. It's like I'm breathing, man. The guys watch might take my heart rate up a little bit right now. Maybe overreacting, man, but this thing is beautiful. Like the craftsmanship of everything. And let's go ahead and give it that first bend. That first, ooh, this thing feels crazy solid. Nothing about this feels cheap. Nothing about this feels unfinished. Yeah, Samsung, yeah. You did your thing. This thing feels, that hinge is stupid sturdy. Stupid sturdy. So here is that mystic black. Yes, it's going to have tons and tons of fingerprints. That's what it is. I actually have a matte, clear, slick wrap coming. I literally just ordered it today. I should have been ordered it. But I literally just ordered it today, so it is what it is. It'll get here pretty soon. But let's go ahead and get this thing powered on real quick. Let's see. I know it has some juice. We always see, let's see if it has some juice. You know they usually always do have a little bit of juice. So here it is, man. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G secured by Knox, powered by Android. So let's go ahead and let this bad boy boot up. But, man, I'm here to tell you, of course, it's going to give you that AT&T brand. Like I said, this is an AT&T model. I know some of you may ask, why did you get an AT&T model? Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. No, the payments, no, none of that. Just not worry about how I got it. That's why I got it. I got an AT&T model. I get a special deals when it comes to the AT&T thing. So here it is, man. Here's the Let's Go screen. This feels really good. This, yeah, this feels good. Then you open it up. and boom, you can basically continue and go about your business. So first of all, let me go ahead and set this thing up real fast. Let me go ahead and put my information in here so I can go ahead and get to the home screen, and then we'll go ahead and come back to the video. All right. We are back. We are back from doing the first setup, popping my main SIM card in here. So you already know the main SIM card is definitely going into this. So, yo, my first impressions, man, and let me go ahead and unlock it. I love this thing already. Now, it's going to have to take me some use to get, to the typing. The typing does seem a little weird, but I'm here to tell you, man, this right here, and let me go ahead and change that refresh rate because I think it's already on 120, but let me just, oh, nope, it's on standard. Let's go to adaptive and go ahead and apply. And yeah, you don't have an option for a screen resolution. So it's just straight. Now we on that 120. Here we go. So my first impressions, man, this thing, it really feels good while you're holding it. I got messages coming in here. Let me actually hit airplane mode on this right now. But everything's restoring my data. This is everything backing up from my Note 20 Ultra. So it's still kind of doing this thing in the background. But yo, real quick, just the quick. You see, I'm excited, man. I'm stumbling over my words. Just real quick, this thing feels, and I mean, it's crazy, man, to think that technology has really came this far when we're talking about foldable phones, man. So I'm gonna get into this. I'm gonna get into this heavy because I really don't know if I want to keep both of these. These are two very expensive devices, and to be honest with you, I don't need to keep these. I know I am gonna get an iPhone when that comes out. I gotta cover it for the channel. That is what it is. So I gotta get that, but I have to figure out if I don't know. This thing has me so sold. It's going to spoil me, and I know I'm not even going to want a regular phone. I know a lot of people out there say it's so fragile and everything and this and that. To be honest with you, I know a few people who have used a Fold as their daily phone for like the entire time since the original Fold been out. So I don't really care about that argument, but I'm here to tell you, man, I have a feeling that this thing is going to really win me over, and it's just going to, man. This thing feels good, man. This thing legit just feels amazing in hand. Like, just everything about it. It's just so sleek. Like, and once again, you guys got to realize this is my very first time owning any foldable. This is my very first time even picking one up. So this is all 100% new. Like, I'm experiencing this for the very first time with you guys. Like, I'm doing this live. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. This is going in my pocket. Actually, I gotta leave out the house right now, and this bad boy is gonna be in the pocket, man. And just, woo, that hinge, man. There's nothing cheap about that hinge. That bad boy feels super, and the fact that you can just open it up any way and it stays, and then you got you want to do the camera. Oh, that Black Panther wallpaper on that look hard though. You got that. You just drag. I hate those little drag things, but if you want to do the flex mode, you can boom. There you go with the flex mode with taking a picture. And yo, it's backwards there actually. It's supposed to be this way. So there's the flex mode when you want to actually take a picture. I just literally cannot wait. And I don't even know which way. I'm all upside down. I cannot wait to start using this thing. And let's see if I can pull up YouTube, man. Like, well, I don't have any connection. Let me go pull. And let me just see if I can just pull up a video. I don't even care what it is at this point. I don't even have anything to look at real quick. They kind of spoiling me, man. But let's see if we can just, I don't know, man. Just pull up anything. At this point, I don't even care. Like, just give me something that I can watch. Here we go. Here we go. Look at this, man. Crazy. Like, crazy, man. So yeah, I don't know if that's a copyright thing, but let me turn that bad boy off. So I don't even know. But man, looking at this is going to be legit. Looking at content on this thing. So I am super hyped. I am super excited, man, to really get into this. Everything that is just the Fold world right now. This is what we're on. This is the technology that we are on. So I cannot wait to get into it, man. I cannot wait. Woo, I'm excited. So definitely, you already know, man, hit that like, hit the sub, do all those things, man. Galaxy Fold is here. Yes, I still haven't forgot about the Note. Trust me, I'm still going to do plenty of Note content. But for right now, yeah, it's Z Fold time. This thing does pick up a lot of fingerprints, but I mean, what phone doesn't that has a shiny back? It just is what it is. But yeah, y'all already know, man. Stay tuned to the channel. We get into this bad boy heavy. I feel like this unboxing is all over the place, but you guys can feel my excitement as we are actually talking about this phone. And personally, you know what? Let's go ahead and talk about just real quick the notch. Honestly, when you're looking at it through this angle, I don't see it at all. Like, yeah, you can barely even feel it, but I honestly do not see the notch that fast. I feel like it's disappeared to me. I mean, you see it there when the light hits it, but me just looking at it and me just quickly browsing around, you do not see the notch. So, I mean, not the notch, but the crease. Everybody says it compares to a notch. You literally don't see the crease. And that's impressive to me, man. And then you can slide it over. I guess if we wanted to do multiple apps, we could and slide that there, and then we can put the files on top of here so you can watch YouTube video while browsing your files, man. Yeah. We're going to be getting into this, man. So Taking T, I might get up out of here. Like I said, man, do all the YouTube things. I keep trying to find stuff to talk about, but we will save that for the first impressions. I kind of want to just unbox it, give you my initial impressions real quick. And you know we're going to come back later on with all the videos. So Taking T, I'm up out of here, man. Like, comment, sub, turn the bell on, all those good things. Catch you on the next one. Later.